welcome to my channel of English Language Academy by Jaya ma'am, and my name is Jaya. Today we are going to learn the most basic topic, which is of introduction and greetings. This is one of the most common topics to start learning and improving your English. So let's get started now, and let's start with the first thing, that is called greetings. So what are greetings? When we see someone for the very first time, we try to greet them. We try to wish them. So how we say that? We say hello, hi. We say sometimes in the morning we say good morning. In the afternoon, if we are meeting someone, we say good afternoon. And in the evening, we say good evening. So when you meet someone for the first time, you can say this hi, or good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening. So it depends. So most of the common things which people do are when they go to meet someone or when they see someone, they say hi, good morning. Especially when I go for a walk, I say everyone good morning. So this is how we greet each other. And then let's talk about the introduction part, which is very important. So when you see someone, you have to introduce yourself as well if you are, finding that person is comfortable talking to you. So you can say, my name is, and for example, here I would say the first phrase, I would say, hello, my name is Jaya. Now take a pause and you can also repeat the same with me. Hello, my name is, and now take your name. My name is. Very good. So nice to meet you all today, and now we will going to learn one more sentence for introduction, and that is you can add the place from you came from, right? For example, I can say hello, my name is Jaya and I am from India. Now tell me, where are you from, or which country are you from? And I would love to see your comments below. Please introduce yourself and greet each other in the comment sections below. I would love to see my audience, where are you from? And so we have learned today. So we will be using the introduction phrase as hello, my name is, and you can tell your country's name. So you can say, I am from India, I am from Canada, I am from Morocco. So from any place where you belong to. So then you can say at the end of the conversation, you can say, or you can ask them, for example, you can say, how are you? So the person can say, I'm good, I'm great, thank you. So at the end of the conversation, you have to say, nice to meet you. And the other person would also say, nice to meet you too. So let's start once again. So I will be performing two people's actions right now. Hello. Hi. My name is Jaya. Hi. My name is Ajal. So, Ajal, where are you from? I am from Morocco. Where are you from? I am from India. Nice to meet you. The other person will also say, nice to meet you too. So this is a very interesting and a very simple way to start practicing your introduction, and make sure to please comment below and tell me where my audience are from. I would love to see your comments below. Till then, for the next class, see you there. Have a good one. Take care.